Malolale, my name is Rika from Island Mana Designs, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a flower clip just like this. To start off, some of the materials that you'll need is some felt, some silk flowers of your choice, a hairpin, pair of scissors, a glue gun with glue sticks, and a surface to work on like this. So the first step is you want to grab your felt and scissors and just cut right through and create two pieces approximately the same size. Then you're going to stack them together and just cut right through and create a leaf shape. Just like so, and then you have two leaves. So you're going to grab your hair clip and your two pieces of felt that you just cut, grab one of them and place it in the center between the clasp. Then you're going to grab your glue gun, making sure that's ready, and just add a little bit of glue but not too much. Just like so. And then you're going to grab the other piece and place it straight on top. Just being really careful that you don't get any glue on your skin because it's very, very hot. Now you're going to let that dry for just a few minutes. So you want to go ahead and grab the hair clip and choose what two flowers you want to use. I'm going to choose these two. I'm going to cut the back stems off and figure out how you want to place it before you glue it. So just like that. And go ahead and start with the first flower. Put a little bit of glue on the back. Just place it down here. And then for the second one, just a little bit of glue. You don't want to have too much. And then figure out what's a good positioning for the flowers. And once you have that aligned, then you just let it sit for a couple minutes. So we have a variety of flower clips that I've made in the last couple days. These are the ones that I just made. And as you can see, this is more of a simplified flower clip made of the silk flowers, orchid flowers. Okay. And then if you want to get more in detail and you want to add more variety, you can add in some leaves, baby breath, and different things, or maybe have a couple of different kinds of flowers. So you can get as intricate as you want to get. You can have just one flower or two flowers or four flowers, possibly. And then these kind of just add another element into your flower clip. So if you wanted, you can kind of see where you would want to put something like this. Okay. And voila, you have officially learned how to make a IMD flower clip.